Hey, what's up y'all? It's your girl TheKeyisME and I am back again with another video. Now I'm going to cut straight to the chase and let you all know exactly what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you this gorgeous unit that I have on my head right now from ISEE Hair. I have in a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It is in the texture of the Mongolian water wave, as you all know, and if you don't know, you should definitely search them on YouTube because they are very famous for their Mongolian kinky curly, which I have not tried yet, but this water wave, like, I am absolutely in love. So now in this video, I know you all have been asking me, of course, how I do my makeup and how I get it to look so natural. I am not a perfectionist when it comes to makeup. I still feel like there's so many different things that I have to learn. However, y'all have been asking, so here I am giving it to y'all. I'm going to be showing you, of course, me styling this wig as well as doing my quick natural beat that I usually go for. Also go give you a little spiel in this video as well, because I was listening to one of my favorite podcasts and sis, she was preaching, like she had a whole word for me, and I'm hoping that and the clips that I show that it resonates in your spirit as well, because I know that it did in mine, especially during this time right now. So let's get right into this video.
To think about the statistic that I should have been because of what I've gone through. I started to think about the fact that how God's grace saved me from myself so many times. So much that he sent his only son to die on the cross for our sins. He suffered so that we could be healed, so that we could have the victory. He paid the ultimate price. Like, it's just, I can't, that's the foundation of our faith. And it's like, if that isn't enough, because honestly, every time I think about that, I really tear up. Like, if that isn't enough, think about what he's done in your life. He gave it to you earlier than what was intended because of your decision making. And I, Ugly Cry, telling y'all these stories because I believe there's power in testimony. You know, the scripture even tells us we're saved by the blood of the Lamb and the word of our testimony. And so I sharing testimonies with you guys because it's so important, making sure you're not taking advantage of his graces, that you're safeguarding your ears and your eyes. Mm-hmm. Right? The things that you see and the things that you listen to go into your heart. And
that was great. Like, I had to be quiet so that I can literally take it all in, but the inside of me was literally screaming. That was everything. Don't take advantage of God's grace. In this week's episode, Tatum proves the tools you need to course and correct when you have taken advantage of God's grace. She talks about what God's grace is, promises that manifest because of your obedience, to safeguard your eyes and your ears. It goes from 2 Chronicles 7:14. If my people who are called to my name will humble themselves and pray and seek my face and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and I will forgive their sins and I will heal the land, how repentance is necessary, how you should go back to the basics and say, when did I fall in love with God? Like, and surrender and resurrender your decisions. She ate this up. She did this, sis. This was good. This was good. It was right on time. I feel like I have so much that I want to say, but I feel like I should say it in another video. I've been really quiet on my channel when it comes to I don't want to say religion because I'm not a religious person, but when it comes to my spiritual side. And of course I believe in God and Jesus Christ, but I feel like I've been really quiet, and I feel like I have a lot to say, especially right now during this pandemic, especially with me going through what I'm going through because I resigned from my job. And I feel like I have a lot to say, and I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna say it in another video. So y'all just stay tuned, because this episode was everything. And this is called the Blessed and Bossed Up podcast. I will put it up on the screen. It's literally the best podcast ever. Like, God knew what he was doing when he placed her on my iPhone. Okay, so sorry, my camera died. What I did on my lips is I went ahead with a dark pencil on the outside, and then I went in with some eyeshadow. I know it sounds crazy, but I went in with some dark brown eyeshadow. Ooh, almost try my palette. This is Jackie palette. I can't drop her. I went ahead with some dark eyeshadow and went around the base of my lips. And I'm talking about the base, the line of my lips. And then with the base of my lips, I use this NYX lingerie lip in Dusk to Dawn. I actually need to order me some more because I tried to find it. I believe NYX is found in any of your drugstores, but I went into Target and they didn't even have this shade, so this must be a popular shade. So I did Dusk to Dawn in the middle, did that to my lips, and when I am done doing my hair, I'm going to add a little bit of gloss. It's gonna be Fenty gloss because that's the only gloss that I own right now. And then yeah, so right now we're gonna get into this hair. Like I've already probably told y'all in the beginning of this video, this hair is going to be from ISEE Hair. As you can see, this water wave looks absolutely gorgeous without any products on it. All I did was wash and condition it. Now I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm being a little lazy and I didn't feel like laying my lace down. However, I do advise you to take the precautions if you're going to wear this more than just a few days like I'm gonna do. I do think you should go in and make sure you secure the wig, sis. Like, yes, secure the wig. And so also off camera too, I just forgot with my makeup, I did go and add some highlight on the bridge of my nose as well as on the side of my cheekbones and under my eyebrow. I love the touch. You see that? I love the touch it gives you under the brow. And then I did go in with my bottom lash and add some mascara. And that's what we are working with. Natural beat. This is what I typically do. I usually don't do the highlighted. Y'all, forgive my nails. We going through it. These quarantine, everything is closed. Forgive me. I know I was mid-sentence and just realized that my nails look hideous. But what I usually don't do is I usually don't give that extra highlight under my eye. So as you can see, I went in with like a natural color that was maybe like one shade lighter than my complexion, and I went in with the shade that's like 2-3 times lighter under there. This is what I typically do if I'm like going out. It's not a typical like natural beat that I would really go for, but even then, with the way that I do my makeup, I still feel like this gives me that natural look. So I still like it. I think it's still a go for me. Yeah, this is what I did. I sprayed my finishing spray on it. This finishing spray that I usually use is Urban Decay, either the All Nighter or the D-Slick, either one. As I've already stated, I do have oily skin. So yeah, so we're gonna get right into this hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take this scarf down, and then we're just going to define the curls. And stay tuned for the rest of this video so you can see exactly what it looks like.